Who you are matters. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. You know, these are weird times, so perhaps you're having a difficulty figuring out, what to do, who you are, what matters to you right now, what to think, what to say, where to go. There's a lot of uncertainty around what is going on here today because you don't have an identity anymore. You're staying home, you're with your children, things are changing, things are moving all the time, and a lot of things are shifting right now. So the key here is, what is your new identity? Who are you? What do you want? What are you focusing on? Are you focusing on anything? Because if you don't have an identity, it can be very difficult. And identity is basically what you like. So I have an identity as an athlete. So I get up every morning and I do physical activity. I get out here in nature, I get on a bike, I do yoga, I play sports, I play hockey. So I have this identity that I'm an athlete. I wear athletic gear. And so I know that about myself, and so I can expand on that. But, at this time, people are staying home, things are changing, the world is changing. You have to change the way you look at things. You have to change the way you're doing things. Everything is changing, and you're developing a new identity and new habits. And guess what? Not comfortable, is it? It doesn't feel comfortable at all, and it never is. Change is never, ever, ever comfortable. It just never is. It's never going to be. There's an emotional cycle of change that we go through every single time there is a change. And this one's a big one. This one's actually, they call it a black swan, which is something that's totally unforeseen, unpredictable. And so my suggestion to you is to figure out, what do you want? I mean, if you have time now and you can figure out what it is that you would like to move towards, the kind of life you'd like to live, how you'd like to end your time here, think about that, the kinds of memories you'd like to leave and so on, because that's going to make a huge difference for you right now. And it'll help create your identity. There's a great movie called Inside Out, and it talks about identity islands. And it's these little islands with your identity. So I'm an athlete, so that's one of my identities. I'm a father, that's another one. I'm a parent, parent and father. I'm a husband. These are different identities that I have. You have them too. I would write them down and start bulleting what those identities mean to you and what you'd like to do to make them better. All right, so that's a little exercise you can do to help to develop your identity and know who you are. Because if you don't know who you are right now, things are going to shift and things are going to keep getting more challenging. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and watch it now. And head over there and watch my videos now, because there's other ones like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.